So I'm going to show you how to grade assignments in the assignment area in Brightspace. So we're going to go ahead and go up to Activities and then to Assignments. You find the assignment that you want to grade. Go ahead and click on the down arrow and View Submissions. So we can see here that Bob's student, Gina's student, and Tim's student, all fake students in our fake course, have submitted their assignments. If I see this and it's ahead of the deadline and I know that there are other students who need to get that assignment in, I could go up here and hit Email Users Without Submissions. It automatically generates an email for you. It puts all the students blind carbon copied in the address field, and then you can write your note to them that they need to not forget to turn it in. So that's a handy tool. And then when you go to grade the assignment, I'm going to, for this one, just ignore this turn it in section here. This is the Plagiarism Checker, and we'll show you that in a different video. But if you're going to just grade the assignments, you go ahead and click. I'm going to click on this one. Usually click on the first one. Click on the assignment, the first student's assignment. Go ahead and, so you read their paper, take a look at it. You can actually mark it up directly in this window. You can highlight something, put a note there. So you can move the sticky note around, and they know to click on it and see what you said. You can do a text highlighter. That's what I actually meant to do just a minute ago. And do that. You can draw. You could circle something. It's not a very good circle. You can use, if you want a straight line to underline something, you can use that function there. You can use a text box. Modify that to, you can move it around, for example. So that's a really handy tool. You don't have to download, upload anything. You just correct it all in here. And then you go ahead and enter this. If you had a rubric, it would be here. And then you go ahead and enter the score. So 85%. Do all your notes in that little feedback box. You can give feedback in video form as well, and that is if you hit this button. It's not going to let me do it because my webcam is already in use for this video recording, but you could add a video note to do that. You could also record audio and add an audio note if you prefer that. And then you hit, I've done this before in this particular assignment for a different demo, so it says update, but usually it would say publish. So you hit publish or update. And it saves it. If you have this assignment linked to your gradebook, which we usually teach you how to do in our office, then this grade will go directly into the gradebook. You don't have to manually enter it. And then when you want to move on to the next student, you just go up in the top right-hand corner, hit the arrow. I'll ask you if you want to save. Do save it. And usually it automatically puts the file into the window, but once in a while there's a little bit of an issue. So if not, just click on it like I'm doing here. And I'll pull it up. You can see I've already messed around with this document a little bit for different demonstration, but same thing. You can mark it up, enter the grade, enter the feedback, update it, and move on to the next student. And that's how you do that.